In this video I'm going to give you an overview of the Jacuzzi mineral cartridge system. This is for an in-ground or above ground pool, and this mineral system will treat up to 25,000 gallons of water. And the Jacuzzi mineral cartridge system is made by the same company that makes the Nature2. The Nature2 is a 5-star rated mineral system, and there are many great benefits of a mineral system. You'll reduce your chlorine use up to 50%. The mineral system will also prevent and destroy algae and bacteria. It'll also decrease the maintenance time of your pool. It'll save you money on chemicals, as you won't be shocking your pool or treating algae in your pool all season long. And if you have a saltwater system, you can reduce the output of your saltwater system. This will extend the life of your salt cell. And the minerals in the system are designed to last for 6 months. And there's no need to install a new system every season. All you would need is a new mineral cartridge. Drop that in and you're ready to go for the next season. And everything you need to install the Jacuzzi mineral cartridge system comes in the box. And included is the installation and operating manual. You also have the owner's manual. And I'll cover the installation process in a separate video. And the installation process is very simple and easy. It should take you less than 10 minutes, and there is no plumbing required. So whether you have 1.5 inch PVC plumbing or 2 inch plumbing, the saddle comes included in the box for either size plumbing. And also included is this rigid PVC adapter for above ground pools. So if you have flex pipe, you would install the Jacuzzi mineral cartridge system here on this pipe here, and they connect the flex pipes to it. And there's no need for a special drill bit. The hole saw comes included in the box, and all you would need is a drill, and you would simply attach the hole saw to it and drill a hole into the PVC pipe. And the minerals in the cartridge are safe for use, and they don't contain any carcinogens. So that's a look at the Jacuzzi mineral cartridge system. This is a great way to reduce the chlorine use in your pool, as well as prevent algae all season long, and the installation process is very easy. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963, providing quality products and services to make pool care easy and solutions and expertise to do it right.